Which is small q and which is capital Q?
Small Q, capital Q.
That's what. Which is small q? Point it out.
First time.
Let your mother check. Point out the small q. Which is small q?
Small Q and Q.
Ida.
Point it out. Ida. No, Ida and all. You should identify. Yes,
He's
is he
doing
identifying
correct,
it correctly
Yes,
only?
ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Nitik's mom. And next alphabet. What is this? Vidyut. Vidyut, can you tell me what alphabet is this?
Indian history.
P.
P. Oh my God, you identified. Well done, Vidyut. Such a good boy you are. Capital P, small p. Okay, children. Next is very easy, Vidyut. What is this?
Oh,
No, Vidyut's mom. Please don't help him. What is this,
okay,
Vidyut?
And then
What? What? I can see this alphabet in your mouth. Oh.
End letter.
Come on. Vidyut's mom, you better teach me Malayalam. Then I can talk with him fluently, right?
There, ma'am.
Yes?
I'm just saying him to look at the screen.
Okay. No, I just want to learn Malayalam because he's very attached with that language, so he's not able to understand what I'm asking him. He's not even reacting to that. That's what. No
Yes,
problem.
see.
With you, this is O, capital O, small O. Okay. Next is Dev Krish. Dev Krish.
First, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Dev Krish mom. Next, come on, tell me, Dev Krish.
Say loudly.
Loudly.
Mm.
Correct. What you said is correct only. You say. Capital.
Mm.
Very good. Very good, Dev Krish. Vidyut mom, you can mute yourself, Vidyut's mom. Okay. Next is Nitik. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
You tell me, ma, what letter is this?
Small N, capital N.
Very good. First is capital M only, no? Why are you
ma'am,
moving
he's
to the
telling
second? N. Is that N? N has
Yeah, he
been
told
displayed
N.
in your screen? Nitik. What is this, Nitik? N, you will start
Small
writing
M.
your name like this. Will it be like this?
Capital M, small M.
M. Okay, you have to join your lips. M. Okay? Okay, Nitik. If it is wrong also, it's okay, Nitik. Anyhow, we are going to correct ourselves, okay? Don't feel for that and all, okay, children? Next is Tarnika. Tarnika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Small L.
Very good, Tarnika. Vishank. Vishank.
Good morning, ma'am. Don't cry, come.
What happened to Vishank? Why, ma, Vishank? Come here. Come here to ma'am. Come on. Come in front of ma'am. Come on. Come on. Come, ma.
Unmute, ma'am. Unmute.
What happened, Vishank? You tell ma'am. Come on. Come to your seat first.
Come.
Come, no? Come.
Come and tell me. Come on.
Play,
What?
He wants
You want to play? Yes, you can play. Come on. Sit in front of me and you play. Come on.
Come
I
here.
want to see how you are playing. Come on. Come sit in front of me and you play. Come on.
Play with
You can play and as well as you can answer the questions what I'm asking. Okay? Come on, come in front. For that and all, you will cry. Oh my God. Only babies will cry. Yes, you're a big boy, right? Okay, now come on, look at the screen. First say good morning to ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Say good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, now tell me what letter is this?
Capital K.
Okay, tell me what letter is this. They'll give you all your toys. Come on, tell me what letter is this first.
What letter is that?
See, look at the screen and say.
Vishank.
Look at the screen.
He's
Listen.
looking at the chart there, ma'am.
Chat there. You don't no need to show me there. You just look at the screen and tell me. What
Look at
letter
the
is this?
screen.
You don't know?
K.
K, capital K,
Small.
small K. Okay, another letter also. You identify this. What is this? Don't look at your daddy. Very good, Vishang. It's jelly and jam only. Tell me the alphabet. What alphabet is that? Tell me the alphabet, Kana. Ja. What will come?
J.
J. Very good. Small J. Well done, Vishang. Now you start playing. Come on. I will not disturb you, okay? And next is who else joined? Okay, Vidyut, what is this, ma? What alphabet is this?
Hurry. Alphabet is
Yes, it's very easy, Vidyut. Yes, come on. Find out.
Vidyut.
Vidyut is going to get a balloon, big balloon today. If he is identifying the alphabet, Vidyut is going to get a big balloon. What color balloon you want, Vidyut? Blue, red, yellow. What color you need?
Chocolate. No, chocolate one. Chocolate.
Good boy, na? Come on. Come on, Vidyut. Okay, I'll tell for you, okay? Capital I, small I. First, I want you to sit. Come on, sit. Sit. Get up and sit. Come on, sit straight. It's morning, right? Come on, get up and sit. Okay, Vidyut? Yes, good boy, Vidyut. This is capital I and small I. Ritvik. Ritvik. Ritvik.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ritvik. What alphabet is this, ma?
H.
H. What?
H.
What? H. Capital H. And the other one is small h. Very good, Ritvik. Wait, Ritvik. And what is this, Ritvik?
E.
G. What G?
Maggie.
Very good, Ritvik. Wonderful. Wait a minute. Okay. And what is this?
Yeah.
F. What F?
Moya.
Very good, Ritvik. Wonderful. Big round of applause for Ritvik. Thank you so much, Ritvik. And Vishank. Vishank. What letter is this? What is this?
It's okay, say.
Oh my God.
Elephant.
What alphabet is this, ma? E. Two E's there. What is that? E only. What E? Which is capital E and which is small E? Point out. Point out. Vishank's parent check whether he is pointing out correctly. Capital
Capital
E.
Edin cutting.
Point out.
Point.
Point out with your pointer finger.
Capital E.
E.
Capital E.
E.
Small E.
Very good.
Very good. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Very good, Vishank. Stay, Vishank. Stay. And what is this?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, who is that?
B. Small B.
D.
B. Is this B?
Good morning, Manila, ma'am.
Good morning. I think it's Karthikeyan.
Small D.
D. It's not B. D. Okay. Capital D. Small D. Kavyani, are you there?
Yay.
Kavyani. Yes. Come on. Identify the alphabet, ma. What is this?
What is this? Okay. Capital D. Small D.
Wow, Kavyani. Very good girl. And what is this?
And capital C. Small C.
Very good. What is this?
Capital B. Small B.
Next.
Okay. Capital A. Small A.
Very good. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. And what is this?
Okay. capital E, small e.
Very good, Kavyani. Kartikeyan. Kavyani, mute yourself, ma. Good morning, Kartikeyan. Mute yourself, Kavyani. What alphabet is this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. What yes, ma'am? You tell me, ma'am. Help me out. Which is capital F and which is small f, Kartikeyan?
Capital F, small f.
Point it out. Kartikeyan's mom, check whether he is pointing out correctly. Capital F. Which is capital F? Capital F. Touch it, touch it.
Capital F, small f.
Is it correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Next, Kartikeyan, stay. What is this?
Capital G, small g.
Very good. Farnaz, good morning, Farnaz. And what is this? Farnaz, what is this, ma?
Nani Vendama.
Good morning, Farnaz. What is this?
Yes.
H. What H? Two H's here. What H?
Capital H, small h.
Very good. Capital H and small h. This one?
Capital I, Tom I.
Small I. Small I. Okay. Next.
Small. Capital J, Tom J.
Small j. Very good. Next. Yes, next.
Capital K, Tom K.
Very good. Dikshan, are you there, Dikshan? Dikshan? Darshika, Dikshan, are you all there?
I am.
Darshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Darshika.
Good morning,
Good.
ma'am.
Good morning, Darshika. You came and you didn't wish ma'am today. Why, Darshika? Okay, come on. Identify the alphabet, Darshika. Okay. What is this? Whatever you know, you tell me. No problem.
Capital A.
Very good, Darshika. Next.
Small B. Small capital B.
Small capital B. Capital B, small b. Okay. This one.
Small C. Sharp capital C.
Very good, Darshika. Others also can say children, but don't unmute, okay?
This one.
What is it, Darshika? Come on, tell me.
Small.
What is this?
Small D.
Yes.
Small capital D.
D. Very good. Darshika's mom, is she saying on her own?
Yeah, yes.
Okay,
Yes,
thank you. Next, Darshika.
சொல்லுங்க என்னது?
Eggs in the pan. What is this?
In the bag.
Ah, that's a rhyme. Come on, identify the alphabet.
Yes.
F. Is it F? No.
X in the pan.
Capital.
X.
Capital E. Capital E. Small e. Okay. And next.
இங்க பாருங்க next.
Capital F. Capital F.
Small F. Okay, thank you. Next. Okay, very good. Next. Yeah.
Capital G, capital
Capital G. Small g. Oh my God. My baby is not able to say capital and small. Oh my God. Next.
H,
H. Capital H.
small
Small H. Okay, next.
இங்க பாருங்க.
capital H,
This one.
small H.
Answer. Next.
இங்க yeah, that is. What letter is that?
Capital E,
Oh ho ho. Capital E is coming.
இது என்ன எழுத்துமா?
J. Capital J. Small J. Jelly and jam. Okay, J. Okay, Darshika. Next is Darshika. Next. K. Very good. Next.
I,
A.
Oh ho ho. I will have a dot on top and a sleeping line also, but this is not I. L. Capital L. Small L. Yes, diction is there. I'm not able to see diction. Devarakshita.
வேற வண்டி வந்திருக்கேன்னு நம்மளோட வண்டி அல்ல.
Okay, Kavyani, mute. Sorry. Okay, Darshika, mute yourself. Vidyut, mute yourself. Diction. Diction, are you there? Diction. Is there? What?
ma'am.
Diction. Okay, identify the alphabet diction. What letter is this?
L1.
L1. Capital L, small L. Okay. Next. Next. M. M. You should not say. Should say capital M, small m. Okay. Yes, your mama name also starts with this letter, right? Next.
Capital N, small N.
N. Okay. Next.
O.
Oh. Next.
Capital O, P.
P. Okay. Very good. Small p. Next. Q. Small q. Okay. Next.
கேபிட்டல் ஆர்.
Capital R. Small r. Capital R. Small r. Okay, Dikshan. Okay, children. I think everyone has joined. We'll start our session. Ma'am is going to come out. Okay. Children, all of you, I want all of you to stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Come on. Let's start. Come on, kids the anthem. Is ready, all of you? Stand. Come on, all of you stand, join your hands and close your eyes. Okay? Come on. It's the anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, good morning. Open your eyes, children. Yes, good morning. And open your eyes. Good morning, children. Yes. Did you all revise well for your assessment, children? Did you all revise well? Yes, if you all revised well, thumbs up. Did you all revise well? Yes, let me see how many of you have revised well. Yes, Naitik, Ritvik, Tarnika, Danvin, Rohita, Harshni, Satvika. Everyone revised? Kavyani, good. Dikshan, Parnaz. Vidyut also. Very good, Vidyut. Okay, children, today we just will finish off with our warm-up activity and we'll start our attendance session, okay? Just breathe in, children, breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, children. Now, attendance. Shall we start? I'm going to show you the names. You have to identify and tell me your attendance. Okay? Are you all ready for that? Yes, look at the screen. Be alert. Okay, no one is going to call out your names. I'm just going to show you your name cards. Okay, who's this? Yes, who's this? Come on, who's this? Farnaz, why are you quiet? This is your name, right? Yes, Farnaz? Ah, then tell me your attendance. Farnaz, Fatima.
It's not visible, ma'am.
Now?
Clearly it's not visible.
Okay,
Yeah, now
then I'll show it closer.
Parna says it's for you. ARNEZ.
Okay? Yes.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is... Okay. Next, it's going to be... Who is this?
Yes, has I asked me.
Very good, Harshni. Who is this?
Good morning.
Good morning. Who is this?
Janavi.
Ah, tell me. Come on, read out your name.
JHNA. Janavi.
Jan.
Thank you, ma'am.
ഗുഡ് ബൈ അപ്പം അമ്മൂമ്മ ഇന്ന് ചോക്ലേറ്റ് വാങ്ങിച്ചു തരുന്നു എനിക്ക്. നീ പറയണുണ്ടോ നിന്റെ പേര്? ഇപ്പൊ നിന്റെ പേര് വരും വി.
Children, please wait. Ma'am have some network issue. She will join soon. Okay.
Okay. Who is this? Pranita. 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 Pranita is not here.
Your camera is not visible. You're not visible, ma'am.
I'm not visible. Two vanilla P is there. In one vanilla P you can see me. I've joined through my mobile also.
P R A N I T
A.
A.
Pranita. Okay, thank you, Pranita. Just read out your name, children. That's enough. Time is running out. Okay, next. Next.
Okay.
No, you just tell me your name. Good morning. That's enough, Kavyani. We'll revise it tomorrow, okay? Say just good morning, okay? Okay, very good. Next is, whose name is this? Just tell me your
My
name.
name is Naitik. I am studying in junior
Very
KG.
good, Naitik. Next is,
My name is Nukshita.
very good, Nukshita.
Yes.
Next is, Devarakshita. Yeah.
சொல்லு டிகே தேவரக்ஷிதா.
Well done, Devarakshita. Good girl. Next. Zedi. Zedi. Very good, Zedi. Good morning, Zedi. Next is
பரப்பரா DI பரா
Vidyut.
DI பரா வித்யுத் பரா
Vidyut.
DI பரா
This is your name, right? Vidyut.
D பரா
My name is Vidyut. I'm studying in junior KG. Very good, Vidyut. Well done, Vidyut. Next.
My name is Soita Forest and junior KG.
Very good, Rohita. Next.
Satika.
Super Satvika. Good morning. My name is Satvika.
Good morning, Manila ma'am. I am studying in junior KG.
Okay, next. Siddharth. I think he's absent today. Next. Whose name is this? Come on, children. My name is Ritvik.
My name is Ritwik. I am studying junior.
Very good, Ritvik. Next is. Next. Okay, very good, Vivan. Next.
My
Next.
name is Vishank. Vishank.
Vishank ran away. Okay, Vishank. I am marking you, Vishank. Next. Tilakar is also absent today. Next.
My name is Tanika. I am studying in
Very
junior
good,
KG.
Tanika. Next.
My name is Dikshan. I am 4 years old.
I'm studying in
I am
junior
studying
KG.
in junior.
Very good, Diksha. Next.
சொல்லு அட்டெண்டன்ஸ் சொல்லு மேம்க்கு.
My name is Dansha. I am in junior KG. I am 4
Very
years
good.
old.
Very good, Danvin. Next.
My name is Tekrish. I am in junior KG.
Very good, Devkrish. Next. Darshika. This is your name, Darshika. My name is Darshika.
Junior K. Dashika.
Look at ma'am and say, Ma, my name is Darshika. I'm studying in junior KG. Okay, Darshika. Okay, thank you so much, children. Thanks for your attendance. Okay, children, we are going to conduct the assessment now. Okay, hope you all have revised. Karthikeyan, I showed your name. Wait, 1 minute.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, I showed, Ma, but 1 minute. Okay, tell me now.
Yeah, my name is Katrina. I'm sitting in Google for it all.
Very good, Karthikeyan. Thank you so much, children. I have noted all of your attendance today. We have all revised. Till now, we revised alphabets, right?
Can you show
Vishank. Yeah, 1 minute. What, Vishank?
My name is Vishank. My name is Vishank.
My name is Susank.
I'm studying.
I'm studying
Junior KG. Okay. Okay, children, the link is going to be posted in the chat box. Attend the session and then You have to take a screenshot and send to the number mentioned in the chat box. Okay? First, Uma ma'am. Yeah, it has been posted, I think. Okay, children, now check your chat box. And it's been posted. Come on, children. All of you click the chat, click the link. Come on. Children, wait for my advice, okay? I'll just read out the questions and then you answer, okay? Parents, please don't tell them anything. I'll read out the questions for them. Let them choose the answer. If they are feeling very difficult to choose the answer or click in that mobile or laptop or whatever it is, you can guide them. But don't tell them the answer. Okay, parents?
നീ ആൻസർ ഓക്കെ നീ എന്നാ പറയണം
Your link is opened.
God.
Is everyone opened the link? Come on.
God.
Link has been posted in the chat box.
Ma'am, we didn't receive the link.
Link has been posted in the chat box. You just check it now. Yeah, link has been. You need not go out of the session. You can just click it from there itself. You need not go out. Yes. First, type the name of your child. Has anybody opened the link? Has everyone opened the link? If there is any issues, please let me know.
వెన్నెల మ్యామ్
Yeah.
అది నేమ్ నేమ్ రాయడానికి రావట్లేదు మ్యామ్
Name of the student is given. Yeah, you can type the name
Yeah.
there.
ఓకేనా మ్యామ్
You
ఓకే
type Rohita's name there.
ఓకే మ్యామ్
Yes.
Ma'am, link.
Link is being posted in the chat box. You need not go out of the session. You can just click on to the link and you can attend the paper. Yes, is it clear? Am I clear? Yes, Rohita's mom, you opened the link? Yes, Hashini's father, tell me.
Some of the parents are looking for the link in WhatsApp.
Yeah, link is given. Yeah, I am able to see the link. 2-3 times it has been given.
You just inform that
Chat
on the
box.
Meet, Google Meet itself,
Yeah, in the
Yeah,
Google
they're
Meet
looking
chat
out
box
in the
only.
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. Parents, please don't check in WhatsApp. Link is posted in the session chat box. Google Meet chat box, it's given. Parents, please don't go out, don't check in the WhatsApp and all. It is given in the chat box of Google Meet itself. In the Google Meet itself, it is there. There is a message box, right? On the top of the screen, you can see. Are you able to see? There will be number of participants and one chat box will be there. You just click on to that chat box and the link is posted there. Yesterday also you joined like that only, right? Is any doubts, parents?
Ma'am, we cannot find it, ma'am.
Chat box is above there, Farna's mom. In this session itself, above the chat box is there, right? Click the chat box.
Where is this available?
On the top of the screen, it will be there. Are you attending in a mobile?
Yeah, ma'am, link is posted in
Yes,
the group
ma'am.
itself.
In group also it is there. Good.
Just post it in group.
In group also it's there, but here also it is there. No problem. Wherever you can join.
Okay.
Yeah. Uma ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Uma ma'am, you have posted in the group.
No, ma'am. Kavyalini's father posted in the group actually.
Okay, if they post in the group means how can I hear what they are saying or
So they have to go out and check in the chat box.
yes.
The
Parents,
WhatsApp.
if you enter through this chat box only, you can hear what I'm saying.
Parents kindly attend this link at one time. Don't attend again and again. What are the first submit you are giving, that mark only going to be recorded. So we will also receive the response in the Google Meet itself. So you attend one time, that is sufficient. If it is right or wrong, leave it. Vanilla ma'am, you can
Yes.
continue.
Yeah, okay. Children, I think, did your parents type your name or you typed your name, children? Come on. Finish. Name has been typed? Yes. First question, children. Find the starting letter of the given picture. And picture is given. You have to click the correct letter. A for ant, D for ant, or C for ant. In the circle, you have to press. You have to click inside that circle. Or else you can get help from your parents also. Yes? Once you finish, can anybody tell yes, ma'am? I can hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, Dev Krish. Next is find the starting letter of the given picture. It is parrot. Parrot. Yes, F for parrot, P for parrot, or G for parrot. Which is the correct answer? Click it. F, P, or G. Click it. Okay, very good. All of you, please be in mute. Then only you can hear me clearly. Okay. Next is igloo. Igloo. I for igloo, H for igloo, or J for igloo. What will be the answer? Click the correct answer. And the fourth one is find the starting letter of the given picture. It is lion. Lion. Children, only small letters are given. Be careful. And then you click the answers correctly. Okay. Capital L is not given. See carefully and do it. M, L, and O. M for lion, L for lion, or O for lion. Whatever is the correct answer, click it. Find the starting letter. This is octopus. Octopus. R for octopus, S for octopus, or O for octopus. What is the correct answer? Click it. Next is cup. Cup. C for cup, A for cup, or L for cup. Next is bat. Bat. E for bat, K for bat, or B for bat. Bat. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B for, bat. Next is elephant. E for elephant, or N for elephant, or F for elephant. Whatever is the right answer, click it. Next is rainbow. Rainbow. B for rainbow, R for rainbow, or I for rainbow. Next is fish. Fish. A for fish, K for fish, or F for fish.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. What, Nightek? Fully you finished? Yes, one by one. When I'm telling you only, have to do, children. Next, 11th one is find the lower case of alphabet R. Small letter R. Yes, Rohita, mute yourself, Rohita. Small letter of R. Next is small letter of D. Children, see properly and do it. D. Capital D is given. Small d. Standing line and backside curve. Look carefully and do it. Standing line, front side curve is B. Okay. Next is M. Small letter of M. Sorry, small letter M. You have to click the answer. Capital letter M is given. And then capital Q is given. You have to click small letter Q. A, B, and next 15. Small letter E. You have to click. Capital E. See where is the small E and click the answer. And capital B is given. Small b, you have to click, children. Next, G is given. Click the small letter G. Next, J is given. Small letter J. And then capital A. Click the small letter A. Those are finished. Keep quiet. Let others also finish. Okay, children. F, capital F is given. Small letter F. Check your answers one more time and finally you submit, children. Find the phonic sound of the given action. For what rhyme will you sing this? For what alphabet will you sing this rhyme? Click the alphabet correctly. Is it B, A or E? Whatever it is, click it correctly. 22nd question will be C. What action is this? For which alphabet you will do this action? Eggs in the pan. Okay? Next is see me play on my drums. Okay, click the correct alphabet, children. Next is Inky the mouse is my pet. Click the correct answer. Lick my lollipop. Yes. Once you finish, click the correct answer. One more time, you check whether you have done it correctly. You have answered all the questions. And then finally, you give submit. Okay, children? Yes, did you all finish?
No.
Yes, children, did you all finish? And where you have to send the screenshot, that number will also be posted. Take a screenshot and send to this number. Yeah. Take the
Vanilla ma'am,
screenshot. Submit. Have you
submit
given
చేస్తున్నా.
submit? Yes, Uma ma'am. To which number they have to send the
Yes,
screenshot,
ma'am.
Uma ma'am?
Ma'am, I'm just. Ma'am.
అది
Parents,
ల్యాప్టాప్
please
కదా.
don't send in the WhatsApp group of Junior KG. You just send in that separate mobile number and just posting in the chat box.
Yeah, the number has been posted. To this number you send.
Ma'am, submit not okay, ma'am.
After you submit, you will get a score, Rohita's mom. You got the score?
Yes.
You take a screenshot of that score and you send it to this number mentioned in the chat box.
Ma'am, you put submit, then on the top of it, view score option will come. So if you have to click the view score, your score will come.
అమ్మ నీకు 24 marks.
After you submit, did you get view score? Yes, Rohita's mom, I'm not able to hear you. Unmute and tell me, Rohita's mom.
Ma'am.
Yes, did you get view score?
Yes, ma'am, 24.
Okay, take a screenshot and then you send it to this number mentioned in the chat box.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Thank you.
Okay. Children, don't go anywhere. We'll be revising math for tomorrow's assessment. Okay? Stay. Those are finished. Stay.
I finished, ma'am.
Yes, those who finished also, please. Okay. Please let me know through the chat box itself. Type your name and you just put yes. Yes, those are finished. Let me know. Yes, Kavyani finished. Very good. Yes, type your name. Vivan. Tarnika, done. Very good. Others also type your name, and if you have finished, if you have submitted, give S. Yes, Devkrish. Rohit also finished, I know. Yes, Pranita finished. Vishang finished. Parna's finished. Pranita, you finished, ma? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Pranita. Okay. Nikshita also finished. Vishang, did you finish, Vishang? Yes, Satvika, good.
I'm doing, ma'am.
Doing. Okay, do. Slowly you do, no problem. Nitek, finish, Nitek. Karthikeyan, finish. Darshika, Devarakshita, Danvin.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Darshika? What is this, Darshika?
Ma'am,
Yeah?
ma'am, done with it, but I'm unable to type in the chat box. Finished, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. He finished, right?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Devarakshita also finished. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Hashni finished. Very good.
Ma'am, we should
Vidya-
send only the score or
Only the
answers
screenshot
also,
of that score. We will get a score, right? Only that screenshot is enough.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Danvin. Okay. Hope everyone has finished. Yes, children, everybody finished? Okay, now look at the screen, children, all of you. Come on, let's have a small recap of math, okay? Okay, can you all see this? Can you all see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everyone can see, and everyone has finished, right? Yes. Who is going to say along with ma'am today? Come on. Who is going to say along with ma'am? Who is going to say tens counting? Okay, who is going to say? Danvin, are you ready, Danvin? Danvin, are you ready? Yes. What is this?
0.
சொல்லு
1 0 10
1 0 10.
1 0 10
சொல்லு அடுத்தது
2 0 20 3 0 20 4 0 40 5 0 50
Very good.
6 0
60.
8 0
ஏய் அடுத்து
7 0.
7 0
70. 8 0. 80. 9 0. 90. And 1 0 0. 100. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1 0 0. 100. Now all of you close your fingers. Like how we count numbers, we are going to do tens counting also. Okay? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Yes, who will say now? Hashni, will you say? Hashni will say?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Hashni. 10.
10, ma'am.
Yes, 10.
10.
Come on. Show your fingers. 10.
Mm.
10.
20 40
30.
30
40.
50 80 70 80 90 100
100. Very good. Devkrish, will you say? Devkrish will say? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
10, 20, 30, 40, 60,
60,
50, 70, 80, 90, 100.
very good, Devkrish. Well done, Devkrish. Okay, children, this is tens counting till 100 we have done. And now we are going to find out how many tens are here. Okay, this is group of 10. Yes, everyone can see? Everyone can see, right? Karthikeyan, are you able to see, ma? Karthikeyan, yeah, okay. See here, this is, okay, thank you, Karthikeyan. This is group of 10 and this is also another group of 10. I have given choices here. You have to choose which is the correct answer. Okay, children, who is going to do this now? First, who is going to do? Who will say? Who is going to say? No one? Tarnika. Very good, Tarnika. Okay, shall we do it, Tarnika? Yes. Yeah, 1 minute, Tarnika. Nightic. Now only you heard Nightic. Okay, now see here. This is 10, 20. Yes, what is the answer here then? 1, 0, 10, this is 20 and this is 30. Which will be the answer? 20 means how we will write?
20.
20. 2, 0, 20. You have to see where is 2, 0, 20 and you have to match it. You have to click it. Okay, like this. 2, 0, 20. Okay, and next one. Can you see here, children? What is this? What picture is this inside? Yes, what is this inside? Balls. It's full of balls. Okay. So shall we count the 10? Group of 10 shall we count? So 10, 20, 30. So where is 30? Where is 30 here? 3, 0, 30. See where is 3, 0, 30? Yes, 30. Okay, 3, 0, 30. Okay, children. Next. What shape is this? What shape is this? Karthikeyan, what shape is this?
Circle. Round.
Round. What shape is this?
Circle, ma'am.
Circle. And what ma'am has done to this circle?
Circle, ma'am.
Okay, what I have done to this circle?
Circle.
What I have done? I have divided into 2. See here, I have divided the circle into 2 halves. Okay, so what is this shape?
Okay, ma'am.
What is this shape? Yes? Only one at a time. Yes, Nightic, mute yourself. Karthikeyan, tell me the answer. Dhanvin, mute yourself. Tarnika, mute yourself. Yes, what shape is this, ma?
Circle.
Semicircle. So, how many semicircles you will get in a circle? In a full circle, how many semicircles you will get? 1, 2. So, how many semicircles will be there? 1, 2. So, when you join these two semicircles, you will get a full circle. Okay, children. So, how many semicircles are there in a circle? 1 or 2? How many is there? Show me your fingers. 1 or 2? How many semicircles will be there in a circle? Come on, Devkrish, Nightic, Devarakshita, Ritvik. Show me how many semicircles you will get from a circle. When you cut a circle, how many semicircles you will get? Very good, Tarnika. Devkrish, Karthikeyan, good. Dhanvin, good. You will get 2 semicircles like this. Okay, if you have been asked a question, how many semicircles will you get from a circle? You have to say it is 2. You will not get 1. 1 means it's a full circle. 3 you will not get. Then it will not be a semicircle shape. So if it is a semicircle, you will get 2. Okay, 2 semicircles make 1 full circle. Okay, children. Okay, now, can you see this picture? Yes, everyone, can you see?
Dog.
Yeah. Yeah, I have made it out of, fully I have made it out of oval and a semicircle. Okay, now I'll show you here. I want you to count how many ovals are here. First, count how many ovals are here, children. Look at the screen and count. I'm showing it to you. Everybody is able to see my screen? Yes, point it out with your pointer finger and count, children. What? Don't unmute. Don't unmute, children. Mute and count first. And then I'll ask you the answer. Mute yourself and count. Come on. Let me see who is saying the correct answer. Yes. Devkrish, don't tell me the answer. Show me in your fingers. How many semicircles are there? Count and show me in your fingers. 10 semicircles are there, Devkrish. Show me in your fingers. If it is 4, you show me like 4. If it is 5, you show me like 5. Very good, Vidyut. 8. Very good. Okay, children. There are how many ovals here? 8. Shall we count one by one? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And now how many semicircles are here? How many semicircles are here?
1, 3,
Yes? How many semicircles, ma?
3,
3. Children, how many semicircles are here? Come on. 3. Very good, children. So there are 3 semicircles like this. We'll give you an image and we'll ask you to count the number of shapes and tell. Okay, at that time you have to count and you have to type the answer in the assessment paper. If it is a triangle, you count it and do it. Square, circle, oval, whatever it is, you have to count and do it. Okay, children, be careful, count slowly, take your own time and do it. Okay, children, and next, we are going to see greater number and smaller number. Okay, are you all ready, children? Yes, first, Dhanvin. Dhanvin.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's find out which is the greater number.
17,
Yes?
17,
17. Very good. Children, during the assessment, you can keep a small rough notebook beside you and you can try it out like how ma'am taught you. How ma'am will teach you first, see the first number and here the first number. If it is the same number, you strike it out and then move on to the next number and then see whether the next number is greater, which is greater. And then you circle the whole number. Like that also you can do. Or else if you are able to find out by seeing the number itself, also it is fine. Okay. Next, Devkrish is going to do. Devkrish. Which is the greater number, Devkrish? Oh my God.
Which one is
Why, ma? Why Devkrish, mom? Why are you doing like this? Why, Devkrish? What happened to you, Devkrish? Why, ma? You tell me. I'll ask your mama what she did. Devkrish.
Okay, identify which one is the greater number. Stop.
What happened? Did you scold him?
No.
No, then why he's crying? Something happened.
He's not listening, ma'am, what you are saying.
You don't think that the child is not listening, Devkrish, mom. They'll be like that only. They are child, no, small children. What do you expect from them? They'll be playful only. Please don't scold them for that and all. Anyway, they'll be listening. Okay, so please don't scold them. What number? Okay, tell me which is the greater number, ma. Come on, Devkrish. 1 to 12 or 1, 4, 14? How ma'am taught you? What is the first number? See the first number here and first number here. Both are same. Then you have to strike it out. And then you have to move on to the second number. Here you have 2 and here you have 4. Which is the greater number now? Tell me. Which is the greater number? 2 or 4? Open your mouth and say.
1, 4, 40.
Very good, Devkrish. See how smart he is. Please, Devkrish, mom. Okay? Thank you so much, Devkrish. Goodbye. High five, Devkrish. High five. Okay, Mama hereafter she will not scold you, okay? And then next is Hashni. Hashni is there.
What is
Come
this?
on, Hashni. Find out which is the greater number, Hashni. This is what?
1, 6.
Danvin, can you please mute yourself, Danvin?
16.
What? 16? 16 is the greater number?
Yes.
Yes, sir. I'm going to come to your house and I'm going to ask you. Which is the greater number here? Find out properly. Find out. See the first number. It is 1. Here also you have 1. Both are same or different?
This is greater number.
Ah, now you found out. Take your own time and do, ma. Why are you saying it in a hurry? 18. Very good, Hashni. And next is going to be Naitik. Yeah, Naitik, ready?
Yes.
Yes, come on, tell me which is the greater number, Naitik. Greater number, big number.
9. 9.
9, 3.
Whole number.
Either greater number 9 or
9 only, but whole number, what number is that? 1, 9.
9. Para.
1, 9. 19.
Yes, 1, 9, 19. Well done, Naitik. You are very clear with this. Very good, Naitik. Next is Tarnika. Tarnika. Ready, Tarnika?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, which is the greater number? Find out.
1, 7, 17. 1, 11.
Which is the greater number, Kana?
1, 1. Class.
No,
Tarnika, is this you? Oh my God, Tarnika. See properly. See, you should not say any answer in a hurry. Okay, come on.
Okay, ma'am.
See, what will be the answer? Greater number, big number. Okay, I'm telling you. First number 1 here and 1 here. Both are same or different number?
Class, ma'am.
No, she was telling the procedure. You have to strike it out the 1 1 like this.
Oh, cross. Oh my God. Okay, next. Okay, here you have 7 and here you have 1. Which is the greater number now?
1 bigger number.
Which is the bigger number, 7 or 1? Greater number. Which is the greater number, 7 or 1? Yes, ma?
7 is bigger number.
Yes, you have to circle 1, 7, 17.
1, 17.
Okay, very good. Tarnika, don't confuse yourself, Tarnika. Okay? Okay, next children. Who is going to say this? Ritvik. 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 Yeah, tell me, Ritvik, which is the greater number? One 4 14 or 1 6 16?
1, 16, ma'am.
Very good, Ritvik. Very good, Ritvik. By seeing the number itself, you said. Well done, Ritvik. Okay, next is Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me which is the greater number, Karthikeyan. 2, 7, 27. 2, 2, 22. Which is the greater number?
7.
2, 7, 27. Okay, straight away you are looking at the second number. Very good, very good. Fast. Okay, next it's going to be Rohita. 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 Okay, now tell me which is the greater number, Rohita.
ma'am.
2, 5, 25, 2, 1, 21. Which is the greater number?
అదే నోట్ తో చెప్పు నువ్వు చెప్పింది రైట్ నోట్ తో చెప్పు అదే చెప్పు
Yes, tell me the number.
నోట్ వస్తున్నాను అదే దాన్ని ఏంటి 2
మళ్ళీ 5
చెప్పు
5 big
2, 5,
బిగ్
2, 5,
2 5
చెప్పేంటి
20,
it got it
అదే
2,
టచ్
5, 20.
22 5 ఏంటి
Okay, I know she knows the answer. It is 2, 5, 25, ma. Okay?
She
Okay,
touched me,
Rohita.
ma'am.
Yeah,
She
I
touched
saw.
me,
She
ma'am.
did it correctly only. Very good, Rohita. Next is Nukshita. Nukshita, you're going to tell me the answer, Nukshita.
yes
Yes, come on, tell me, Nukshita.
Tell me which one greater
1,
number?
7, 17 or 1, 3, 13?
13. Which one greater number? Okay, look at here. Look at the screen. Which number?
1, 7, 17 or 1, 3, 13?
Tell me which number? చెప్పు అక్కడ చూసి
Loudly.
లౌడ్
1?
7
Very good. 1, 7, 17. Why you have so much of doubts in that, Nukshita? You are telling it correctly only, no? Next is Pranita. Pranita is there?
yes ma'am
Pranita, which is the greater number, Pranita? 2, 8, 28 or 2, 4, 24?
2 8 28
Super, Pranita. You didn't even work out. Wow, Pranita. Good. Okay, next, who else did I leave? Anyone? Kavyani? Kavyani? Kavyani. Okay, which is the greater number? 1, 9, 19 or 1, 5, 15?
greater number
I'm going to punch in your nose. Come on, come closer. I'm going to punch in your nose. See, this is a greater number here. 1, 5, 15 is greater number.
greater number and 19
Okay, who is sitting next to you?
next to you
Who is sitting next to you?
mommy
Mummy is teaching you the answer. What, mummy? What is this?
yes
See here. Kavyani, if you don't know, you have to say, ma'am, I don't know. And I'm going to teach you. Correct? See here. See the first number here. There is 1 here. Okay? Look at the screen. Don't look here and there. 1. And here also you have 1. Both are same number or different number? Same or different? Same number. Okay, you will strike out. Okay. Here you have 9 and 5, second number. Which is the greater number? 9 or 5?
okay
9 or 5? 9. Okay, so you are going to circle 1, 9, 19, the whole number. Like that you have to find out, Kavyani. Okay? In a hurry, you should not answer. Okay? And next is Janavi. You finished, Janavi? Janavi, you finished? Janavi, Zedi, Janavi, and Satvika. Pending, right? Satvika. Satvika. 1, 3, 13, 1, 6, 16. Which is the greater number?
She need to work out, ma'am.
Come on, you find out on your own, Satvika. Which is the greater number? 13 or 16? Which is the greater number, Satvika?
1 3 or 1 6
Which is the greater number?
1 6
Very good, Satvika. 1, 6, 16. Super, Satvika. Next is Farnaz. Farnaz. Farnaz, are you ready, Farnaz? Why I am not able to see you, Farnaz? Okay, wait a minute. Farnas, can you see me, Farnas?
Yes, ma'am.
You are there? Okay, anyhow. See here, Farnas, I think you are able to see me. Here. What number is this, Farnas?
Yes, ma'am. It's visible.
Yeah. Actually, I am not able to see her. Okay, no problem. Okay, tell me, Farnas. 2, 9, 29, 2, 2, 22. Which is the greater number?
1, 2, 2 on top, 2 12.
சரி சரி மேம் இங்க இருந்து நம்பர் சர்க்கிள் பண்ணுங்க சொல்லிரு மேம் கிட்ட
9, 29.
Yes. Which is the greater number, Kana?
say which is the greater number
29.
Very good, Farnas. Zedi. Next is Zedi. Thank you, Farnas. Next is Zedi. Zedi.
Yes, ma'am.
Janavi.
Yes,
Why I am not able to see Janavi? Say yes, ma'am, Janavi.
ma'am. I'm waiting for you.
Janavi, you finished, Janavi?
Oh, no, ma'am.
No. Okay, now you finish. Come on. 2, 8,
I'm
28.
waiting for you, ma'am.
2. Okay. Sorry, Janavi. I'm not able to see you, Janavi. 2, 8, 28. 2, 1, 21. Which is the greater number?
8, 28.
Yes, first is 2 and here also it is 2. You have to strike out same number, right? And then second number is 8 and here it is 1. 8 or 1, which is the greater number?
2, 8, 28.
Well done, Janavi. Super, Janavi. Zadi?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you there, Zadi?
Say yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Zadi. Come on, find out 2, 5, 25. 2, 9, 29. Which is the greater number?
2, 9, 29.
Very good, Zaidi. By seeing itself, you found out. Very good, children. Very good. Okay, children. One more activity we have. With that, we'll end up with the session. Okay, children. Here you have to count and write how many stars are here. Okay, first, second, and 3. Okay, first one, how many stars are here? Shall we count, children? 1, 2, 3. So you have to write 3. But in the assessment paper, you will get choices. You have to click the correct choice. Okay. Next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So you'll be writing 5. Next is 1, 2. So you have to write 2. Like this, you have to do, children. Okay. Yes, today's session is over. Whatever I'm able to revise, I have revised here. And then children, be clear with the shapes also. Triangle, rectangle, square and all. Okay, children? Okay, thanks for cooperating. Revise well. Think and answer. Okay? Think twice and answer for the assessment paper. Thank you, children, and bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, everyone. Bye. Yeah, bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.